Hey everyone, Tommy Bombird here, and today Lily Cakes came out with a new video, and it's called If I Turned Into a Baby. So let's get into it.
Because you are so deep.
That is so cute! This is like a grown up to all times. Oh, my freaking ears! Ouch! Okay, Lily, next time you do a video like this, please put a warning in the video. Anyway, see you guys next time. Bye.